If you want to transfer data from the inside to the outside by using the PySpark connector, stay with me in this demo. I'm going to show you how to transfer data to the outside.
So you can transfer data from a dedicated SQL pool using a PySpark connector, which currently work with Scala. So let's say that you have created a loaded data frame called PySpark df. From that you want to read your data frame into the data warehouse. How that we can make this use case? First thing, you have to create a temporary data in a data frame in PySpark using the create or replace temp view method. So let's create this syntax. It's seemed like this: a PySpark df create or replace a view is the PySpark temp table. We are still using a PySpark df data frame. As you can see in the beginning of the statement, next you would have to run Scala cell in the PySpark notebook using a Spark. The Scala variable that take a Spark SQL context. SQL is the SQL statement, is a select, a classic select, and a Scala is write analytics that will be right in the external source is the SQL pool data, is the DBU schema PySpark table, is a external source. So by using this variable, we can write a fixed value from a Scala data frame and then use the SQL statement is a select from a temporary table that return all data from a create temporary data table in the previous step. The parameter that we can use for the second line is the DB name, the name of the database that is example in the SQL pool, the schema that is the name of the example in the DBU. The table is the PySpark table. The table type is that we can specify a constant internal which relate to manage a table in a dedicated pool.